Hey guys, Nathan with Bark Life. We are going to pull the ECU out of our 96 SC300 today. Stay tuned to the end of the video for your chance to win something awesome. We are in the process of working on our Supra, as you guys know, and there's been some delays. Sorry about the lighting. There's been some delays on getting that running. A lot of people have been messaging me asking about the Supra, where it's at. Basically, the Supra, the AEM will not connect to a laptop. We have the wiring all done. Supra is all wired up, ready to roll, but wouldn't connect to this. And obviously, we were working on our MR2. The MR2, the wiring harness is over at WireGap, getting converted from 91 5SFE to a revision 3 3SGTE, as a lot of you guys that are following the channel know. But yeah, so we're trying to get this tested in our 96 SC300. By testing, I mean I'm going to plug it in and basically try to connect it to the laptop, make sure there's no wiring funk on the Supra. I mean, I am 99% sure the box is just fried, which really is a bummer. Not what I wanted to see, but it is what it is. SC and see where we're at. But meanwhile, let's show you how to remove it. All right, so all you do is you have this cover here, right there. But basically, all you're doing is there are two 10mm bolts. Just get in there. Yeah, great camera work. Oh, he's already loose. Cool. Anyway, never ceases to amaze me how juicy SC300s can be. I mean, I doubt that, this carpet was ever out for any length of period of time. Yet still, it's absolutely nasty under here. All right. So here's our ECU. So get this out. So we just have to remove that 10mm bolt right there, and then this one has a little clippy pinch, and out comes the ECU. So we're just going to remove this. Once it gets loose enough, it's honestly easier because you have the wires. I'm not there yet, but wish I could get the Milwaukee in here. Alright, so I got that unplugged. So I just need to go like so. Click this bad boy in place. And just tighten this back down. And if there is any problem with my AEM, the unfortunate truth about it is AEM does not support any of their older stuff. They tell you tough luck. So, yeah, I'm going gonna go get my wrench and install this. Call it good, but yeah, AEM doesn't support their older stuff in any way, shape, or form, which was the case actually on my Supra, my original box. Back when it was my AEM V1, it had failed and had similar errors to what this guy's getting now. And I sent it into AEM, and they basically said, no bueno, they don't support it because it's an older box. All right, so first things first, we're gonna just turn the ignition on and see if the fuel pump, because on the Supra, the AEM, the Supra's fuel pump's just going. It's not stopping. So let's see if... Yep, SC300, I can still hear it. Just going. So... So same thing. All right, so same, excuse the laptop. This is our garage, old. This thing is for my wife when she went to college like 13 years ago. I don't know if you guys can see, this laptop is so filthy. It's older than dirt, but yeah. Brake air. That AEM is done. Alright, so what this taught us about the AEM is that it is no good. I did take it apart to try to see if there's anything visible as far as like, you know, blown capacitors or melted spot on the board or anything crazy like that. There was not. So unfortunately, this means that basically I'm going to have to get a new standalone for the Supra to get it to roll again. That's not cool, but it is what it is. And we still have the MR2 we're working on. We're trying to get that, we're waiting to get that wiring harness back, as we mentioned earlier, from WireGap. He's only had it for a few days, so if he can get it out to us here in the next week or two, that would be awesome. But yeah, so we're kind of on a setback with the Supra getting running, and that's why we haven't updated you guys lately on the Supra. One thing we do want to do, however, is I used to sell these back in the day. Just a simple little key holder. I have my personal one right inside the garage, right there. Anyways, I have a couple of these left, and rather than sell them, I thought I would give them to you guys. How about we say the first 25 comments on this video, the first 25 comments get entered for a chance to win that, and I'll pay shipping to get it to you within the continental US. So yeah, first 25 to comment get a chance to win that key holder. And guys, we're still ordering parts and trying to sort out all the details on doing that SC300 turbo kit. Again, we're trying to do the under $1,000 for the entire turbo kit, including a piggyback, oil, manifold, downpipe, wastegate, intercooler charge pipes, the whole thing. $1,000 to turbo our 290,000 mile SC300. So like and subscribe and stay tuned for that, guys. But yeah, if you want to get entered in the chance to win that key holder, comment below. The first 25 people who comment will be entered for a chance for me to ship it to you. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.